you're not seeing my face. You're seeing my almost completed home renovations. Okay, so the wooden floor company came in today and have installed wooden flooring in my living room. They're coming back tomorrow because they need to do the hallway. And there's two excitable puppies, Marty and Sammy, both guide dogs, who have been upstairs keeping me company in the office room while the wooden floor company have been absolutely amazing at doing the wooden floor. So I thought I would just update you with where we are at the moment. Tomorrow they're coming off to finish off the skirting boards, and they're gonna clean around, dust off all of the sofas, because obviously they've been sanding down and cutting bits of wood. So the sofa's gonna need a clean, but I'm quite happy doing that. I am so impressed at how quick they've done this. It's incredible. And also what they've done is they've put the door that was on here, the porchway. Let me just try and find where I am. It sounds really different. So I'm just getting used to it because I'm used to kind of like using echolocation. So they've taken off the door and they're going to sand it down tomorrow. And they've told me they've put it behind the other living room door, so it's all safe and out the way. They've been so good at every stage of planning this. They have involved me. They've kept it really clear, so I'm able to walk through without tripping over anything. They've been incredible, and I've just really left them to it, to be honest. And the only time that I've come down is obviously to take guide dogs Marty and Sammy out to relieve themselves. But yeah, I am just so impressed, really, with what they've done in a day, and it's quite phenomenal, really. I'm just having a really good feel because I'm just like loving the wooden floor. So like I say, tomorrow they're coming to put all of the skirting boards, the new skirting boards, and clean the floor and stuff like that. But it just feels so big. It's really weird. Yeah, it's just, I'm loving it, and it's the best decision for me because obviously once everything's back in, it's going to be a lot easier for me to maintain and clean. So I'm just, yeah, sharing my excitement and my enjoyment. And they've put the TV unit back to where it was, which is really helpful. And like I say, every turn they've been so good at making sure all of my things are put back where I know where they are. And they've tidied around after themselves. So yeah, I can't rate this company highly enough, actually. Yeah, I'm deeply impressed, as you can imagine. So yeah, that's just where we are at the moment. Obviously, tomorrow I will give you another update with where we are, and I'll let you know with how I get on and the finishing end product, because I am like so happy about it. I can't even tell you. And Marty and Sammy, are you happy about it? Are you happy about it? Say hello, Sammy. Oh, good boy. So yes, we're going to probably stay mostly upstairs because we haven't really got anywhere to sit comfortably. So like I say, everything's still up in the air at the moment. But tomorrow they're going to finish the renovations tomorrow. I'm going to quickly turn around and hopefully, hi! I've turned it around so you can kind of see me. I'm just wearing some gym wear because I'm going to go on the exercise bike shortly and do some exercise. But yeah, this is just where we are at the moment. So I will let you know as and when they finish. And then, of course, the final result when I've got everything back in here in place. So without further ado, I'm going to go and upload this. I'm going to go and feed the dogs because they are incredibly hungry, as always. You're going to say goodbye, Sammy, Marty? I don't think they know what to make of it. Say goodbye then. Sammy, oh, you good boy. Yeah. Bye then, guys. Should we feed the dogs? Dinner time. Let's go.